Yo man, welcome back to another YouTube video. Dito pag-uusapan natin, nakita nyo naman nasa title, Why Women Lose Interest Kapag Nanliligaw Ka. Nangyari na ba sa'yo na tuwing umaamin ka na may gusto ko sa babae, na gusto mo siyang ligawan, is bigla na lang siyang magiging cold sa'yo. Bigla na lang hindi mo mamansin, mag-iiba yung trato niya sa'yo. Kumbaga, malalaman mo na bumababa yung interest level niya sa'yo once na umamin ka sa kanya o once na sinabi mong gusto mong ligawan siya. Bigla na lang siyang, alam mo yun, biglang magbabago yung kanyang pakikitungo sa'yo. Makikita mo na bumaba yung, mararamdaman mo na bumaba yung attraction level niya sa'yo. So in this video, pag-uusapan natin yon why women lose interest kapag nanligaw ka. Ganito kasi yon. So ang pinaka-root cause nun, okay, ang pinaka-root is because women are wired for pre-selection. Okay? Pre-selection. Joms, ano ba yung pre-selection na yan sinasabi mo? Pre-selection meaning, okay, they are looking for a man. Ito, man to. They're looking for a man. Ito, girls, okay? Girls are looking for a man na sa tingin nila na pinipili rin ng ibang babae. Okay? They're looking for a man na merong characteristics, na merong behaviors, na gusto rin ng ibang babae. Because women, ito biologically speaking, they're nasa programming nila. Women want the things that they don't have that other women want too. Okay, ulitin ko. Women want things that they don't have that other women want too. Okay? So, Tagalogin natin. Gusto ng mga babae yung mga bagay na wala sila na gusto rin ng ibang mga babae. Ang tawag doon is pre-selected man. Pre-selected ka na. If you have the characteristics and behaviors na gusto rin ng mga ibang babae, and meron kang characteristics and behaviors na sa tingin niya na magkakaroon siya ng, alam mo yun, meron kang value ibibigay sa kanya. Kumbaga, mapapabuti mo yung buhay niya. Again, women are security-seeking creatures, so they're looking for a man that will increase their chances of surviving sa mundong to. Okay? And usually makikita nila yon sa behaviors mo, sa beliefs mo, kumbaga on your character. If aramdam nila that you are pre-selected by other women, then higher chances are they magiging mas attracted or mas magiging interested sila sa'yo. Now, bakit ngayon sinasabi natin na yung ligaw, bakit bumababa yung interest nila kapag nanligaw o kapag umaamin ka sa kanila? Kasi if ginagawa mo yung traditional ligaw na pinipilit mong maging kayo, yung palagi mo siyang hinahabol, na binibigay mo lahat para lang sagutin kanya. Kumbaga, you're chasing her you're chasing for her validation, yung yes niya. You're always chasing for her attention. Kasi usually yun yung traditional ligaw na na mali talaga Na pilit ka nag-e-effort, pilit ka para lang magustuhan ka ng babae. If ganun yung ginagawa mo, nasa chase mode ka. And once nasa chase mode ka, it signals neediness. Okay? It signals neediness. So bakit? Kunwari, ito ikaw. So kapag ito ikaw, itong clown, may clown, ikaw yan, that naniligaw ka na, nagbibigay ka ng flowers, nagbibigay ka ng chocolates, ng gifts, ng money, you keep chasing her, kahit tinataboy mo na siya, you still, hindi, may pag-asa pa to, mag-e-effort lang ako na mag-e-effort. Pero wala pa rin talaga. Subconsciously, may isip niya, okay, why is he chasing me so hard? Maybe it's because wala siyang options. Yun yung naiisip niya. He is chasing me so hard, so maybe wala siyang ibang options. So again, looking at pre-selection, they only want the man who is also wanted by other women. Gets? So, nawawala ngayon yung pre-selection, baliktad. So, ba't niya ako pilit hinahabol? Ba't pilit niya ako pinapasagot? Okay, ba't niya pa kailangan magbigay ng flowers, chocolates? Ba't kailangan niya mag-perform? Kailangan niya maging performative male. Kailangan niya magkunwaring nonchalant. Kailangan niya magkunwaring alpha. Para lang mapasagot ako. Siguro wala tong ibang options. That's why, di ka nila nagugustuhan. Bumababa yung interest nila sa'yo. Kasi nawawala yung pre-selection. Okay, naisip nila, hindi to pre-selected man. Hindi siya pre-selected man. Ayaw siya ng ibang babae, so kailangan pa niyang gumawa ng mag-perform. Kailangan niya pa maghabol. Another thing is when it comes to relationship, women want the full fantasy experience. Okay? Meaning niya, gusto nila yung experience na nababasa mo sa mga novels, okay, sa mga Wattpad, yung mga napapanood mong movies sa telenovela, mga ganyan. Gusto nila yung full fantasy experience. Ayaw nila ng upfront na gusto kita o sige tayo na. Tayo gusto natin yun, logically speaking, pinakamadali yun talaga. Kaya nga, sinasabi din nila na yung mga lalaki, papakasalan nila yung babae na currently nakasama nila if ma-feel nilang ready na sila. Pero yung babae, in order for them to feel na gusto ka nila, na attracted sila sa'yo, na para ma-obsess sila sa'yo, is kailangan nila ma-feel yung full fantasy experience na tinatawag, FFE. So, Joms, ano ba yung full fantasy experience? Kapag nanonood ka ng mga movies ni John Lloyd, ewan kung nakapanood ka na ng movies ni John Lloyd, okay? If titingnan mo palagi yung character niya doon, is palaging mas mataas siya kaysa doon sa leading lady niya. Palaging siya yung boss, pwedeng engineer siya, tapos architect yung ano niya, yung leading lady niya, pilot siya, tapos yung leading lady niya, stewardess. And it's always na sa una, yung babae hindi gusto ni John Lloyd. Kumbaga, palaging, hindi, imposibleng magustuhan to ni John Lloyd kasi ano lang to, secretary lang niya to, tapos nag-aaway sila, masungit si John Lloyd. And then, yung end ng story is palaging magkakagusto si John Lloyd dun sa leading lady niya. Okay? Yun din yung hinahanap ng mga babae. Kumbaga, merong ups and downs. Okay? Hindi lang siya straight line. Hindi lang siya straight line na gusto and then tayo na. Gusto nila yung may ups and downs. May emotional roller coaster. Okay? Gusto nila may mystery, may thrill, merong tension. Yun yung gusto nila. Gusto nila ng full fantasy experience. Kasi women are very emotional creatures. And in order for them to feel something from you, kailangan mo sila bigyan ng experience to feel. That's why yun yung kinikrave nila. Kung titingnan nyo yung mga movies, mga novels, mga libro na ginawa for female consumption, it's always like this. Full fantasy experience. Palaging hindi siya gusto ng guy. Very dangerous yung guy na feeling nila mas mataas sa kanila. For example, yung Beauty and the Beast. 'Di ba sobrang dangerous ni Beast? Putay na Beast, pare. May ulo ng leon. Kaya nung una, very dangerous si Beast. Pero at the end of the day, naging sila ni Beauty. Yun yung gusto nila. They want to tame the Beast. They want to tame the Beast. Yun yung kanilang fantasy. So, whenever you're trying to pursue a woman, okay, pag sinabi mong nag-hint ka that you are na-interested ka sa kanya, test will always come. Okay, lagi kanyang iti-test. Hindi mo na to matatanggal sa kanila. They will test how weak are you going to be for her. Kung gaano ka kung hanggang saan yung strength mo, strength. Kung hanggang saan yung magiging strength mo. If makita niya that you will go weak for her validation, you will go weak for her attention, tipong you need to chase her, you need to beg for her, okay, you need to prove yourself for her, then wala kang strength. Ibig sabihin, nakatali sa kanya yung confidence mo, yung self-worth mo, that you don't have anything going right for you na kailangan mo pa siya para maging masaya. So, hindi mo na ito matatanggal sa kanila. They will test kung gaano kalakas yung armor mo. They will always check gaano ba kalakas ba tong lalaking to. Gaano ba siya ka-weak. Pag weak siya, pass. And you cannot control this test. Okay? They are biologically programmed to test you. Kailangan mo tanggapin yon. Natural selection. They will only choose the strongest option within their network, within their vicinity. Okay, within their level, kung asan man sila, within their environment. The strongest option. They're looking for the strongest option. We are wired to procreate. So, in order for us to procreate, para ma-survive yung species natin, human, mammal, kung sino lang yung pinaka-strongest. Di ba? Survival of the fittest. Sino yung strongest option for them. And they are biologically wired to test that one, to look for their strongest mate. The moment that na tanggapin mo na you cannot control her feelings, dun ka lang magkakaroon ng chance with women. Kasi pilit mong kinokontrol yung feelings nila, dapat magustuhan nila ako, dapat ito yung mga bagay na nagugustuhan nila, bakit ang daming babaeng tanga sa pag-ibig, dapat ito, dapat yan. Okay? You cannot control her feelings. Women will do whatever she feels. So instead of being bitter, instead of being a sad boy with that one, ibaling mo dito yung ano mo, yung focus mo. Kasi if you cannot control her, what you can control is your actions. That is the only thing that you can control, your actions. So the moment you control your actions, dun ka na makakakita ng improvement. Okay? Wala ka na sa victim. Wala ka na sa victim mindset. Kasi ganito. Kasi ganyan. Aantayin mo pang magbago yung mga babae bago ka magkaroon ng resulta sa sarili mo. Where kaya mo naman magkaroon ng resulta agad if you can control your own actions. If ikaw na yung nasa steering wheel, hindi mo na sila aantayin magbago. Okay? Wala ka na sa victim mode. Kumbaga, makukuha mo na yung gusto mo without waiting for others to change. And you can do that by controlling your own action, by taking the steering wheel sa buhay mo. So, the correct way to pursue is huwag niyong pipilitin yung babae na magustuhan kayo. Okay? Huwag niyong pipilitin na sagutin ka ng babae. Okay? Because ang key for attraction is patience. Okay? Patience. So, what I mean by patient is let her have space to naturally fall in love with you. Kailangan kasi nga nila, yung tinatawag natin na full fantasy experience. Kailangan maano mo sila doon sa proseso. Sa buong proseso ng love story na nababasa nila sa fantasy. Okay? Sa FFE, full fantasy experience na tinatawag. So, with patience, magagawa mo yon. Slow burn. Okay, magkakaroon sila ng ups and downs, ng thrill, ng mysteriousness, magkakaroon ng tension. Okay? Pag kasi ikaw lang yung habol ng habol, ikaw lang lagi yung step forward, wala. Hindi ka makaka-create ng space in order for her to think about you. Hindi ka makaka-create ng tension. So, pag walang tension, walang attraction. So, instead of chasing them, instead of pinipilit mo silang maging kayo, is build a fun and self-sufficient world that she wants to be a part of. If instead of trying na pumasok sa mundo niya, okay, na ako na lang kasi, ganyan. Instead of doing that shit, build a fun and self-sufficient world. Kumbaga, bumuo ka ng sarili mong kingdom. Gawin mong hari yung sarili mo sa sarili mong mundo. So, paano mo magagawa yun? So, by putting effort in yourself, by having your own interests, own hobbies, kumbaga, you're building a world na kahit walang ibang tao, kahit ikaw lang mag-isa, is kaya mong maging masaya. Kaya mong ma-feel na fulfilled ka. Kaya mong mag-isa. Hindi mo kailangan ng ibang tao. You don't need her. You don't need her to feel fun. You don't need her to feel fulfilled. You don't need her to feel confident. Kasi neediness is the #1 attraction killer. Kasi nga, ito yun. So that's why, instead of chasing her, focus on building a life that is fun for you. Again, di ko alam kung ano yung kung saan ka masaya, kung ano yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng fulfillment, kung ano yung mga interest mo, iba-iba tayo. Okay? Build a life that is fun and self-sufficient. Ibig sabihin, kahit hindi mo kailangan ng ibang tao, you're okay alone. And you are just inviting them into your world. Hindi ikaw yung papasok sa mundo nila. Sila yung papapasukin mo sa mundo mo. Now, if your world is so fun, so exciting, meron kang mga bagay na wala siya, na gusto niya at gusto ng ibang mga babae, pre-selection, is ngayon, mas magkaka-interest siya sa'yo. Ano ba meron sa guy na to? Ba't parang ang saya ng mundo niya? Ang saya ng buhay niya? Because girls just wanna have fun. So, if you have this fun world na self-sufficient, na hindi mo siya kailangan, that you're just trying to invite her into your world and check if qualified ba siya maging queen mo, then you perfected the game already. Kapag nanligaw ka, pag umamin ka na gusto mo siya and pinipilit mo siyang maging kayo, you're trying to make her commit to you as soon as possible, na hindi ka makapag-antay na maging kayo, it will signal weakness. It will signal weakness. Because, subconsciously, ang sinasabi mo sa kanya is you need her to feel worthy. If yan yung naramdaman niya sa'yo, wala, masusuka talaga siya sa'yo. Attraction will go down. Magiging cold talaga siya sa'yo. So that's why it's very important to learn about attraction. Okay, kung nandito ka sa channel ko, basically, sobrang dami kong videos about attraction. Real attraction. Ang tinuturo ko is yung parang you will build momentum, attraction, momentum-based attraction, tinatawag kong attraction inertia. Kumbaga, iti-trigger mo siya little by little hanggang siya na mismo yung gustong maging girlfriend mo. So that's why, meron ako mga personal blueprints, systems, and programs na ginamit ko in order for me to transform myself into a torpe nice guy na nanliligaw pa noon into someone na confident and very masculine guy when it comes to relationship. So if you want to check yung mga personal programs na ginamit ko, personal systems and blueprints na ginamit ko, meron dyan sa caption, check nyo na lang. And if nagustuhan mo tong video na to, please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Let's go!